We are leaving, we are going to Kosovo now. Exciting.
Guys, you leave you where I miss you so much, but we meet you after 2 months and a half here again.
We're in Kosovo!
Yeah, 1, 2. Is it?
How you feeling, Robin?
Tired.
Hi, my friends. I'm super excited to receive this awesome team here in Kosovo. I'm happy. Come on, man.
I could tell. How'd you guys sleep last night?
Decent?
Very well. Lying down.
Yeah. So it's not hot there, huh?
So today we're giving out things to some needy families. We have flour, soap, washing powder.
We are going to pray for Pristina today. Come with us.
Colleen, how's Pristina been?
Really good. I didn't expect it to be this way, but it's amazing. I want to come back again.
It's been an amazing time here in Kosovo. Our team has been stretched and been challenged, but we've also seen God. And when you get out of your comfort zone, things really do start to open up, and God starts to have opportunity to do stuff that you weren't expecting at first. Super thankful for the opportunity to be here and to be a part of what God's doing in Kosovo.